Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, I want to do a home decor DIY. I shared this on TikTok, but I want to have a dedicated video. We're gonna be getting crafty, getting creative. I've been taking this course, sort of. It's a book that I have been reading, about to do my makeup, and it's called The Artist's Way. It's basically a 12-week course on how to become your most creative self. So I've just been really in my art era. I've been drawing, I've been painting, I've been doing DIYs, like just basically tapping into my creative self, which has been so much fun. So part of this course is to take yourself on what's called an artist date. It's basically once a week you go and do something that you used to love to do as a kid, that you still love to do, just something fun, but you have to go alone. So today we are going to the movies. I'm going to see Freaky Friday 2, which I'm really excited about. This course has been really challenging me. I normally am with my kids, I'm with Rob, I'm never really alone. So yeah, we are stepping out of our comfort zone. This is week 5 for me of the course, and I'm just basically gonna become like this little artist, I guess. I don't know. Like, I'm just in my art era. Like I said, I've been going to like art museums and I've just been enjoying getting to know this like creative side of me. I feel like I've always been just like a creative person, but it's fun to expand on that and try new things. So that's currently what I'm doing. I'm also doing makeup. Obviously, I'm underpainting, so I'm gonna get ready and then we can go on this date and then do this craft. So when you're watching this, it's Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hopefully this can be just like a chill vlog. Anyway, let me finish up my makeup. The movie is at 10:45. It's early, but is that gonna stop me from getting popcorn? No, it is not. We are definitely getting popcorn. That's enough rambling. I'm gonna go and I will see you guys either in the car or at the movies. I obviously can't like film, but like I'll get what I can. I just left the movies. Freakier Friday. It was Freakier Friday. I think I was calling it Freaky Friday 2. Freakier Friday was so cute. Like, that was so good. I think I told you all I saw the first one. I mean, I saw the first one when it first came out, but I rewatched it last night and then I saw Freakier Friday obviously just now. So it was like fresh in my mind. So I remembered everything about it. It was so cute. It was so cute. If you haven't seen it yet, definitely go see it. Like, it's very lighthearted. It's perfect for like a girl's movie night or even like a solo movie like what I just did. I am currently at the mall. We're gonna go into Sephora. I only need 2 things. I'm gonna really try to be good and then I need to head home. Someone's pulling up next to me. I'm gonna go. I'm a little bit shy vlogging. I'm gonna go. Let's go to Sephora. Okay guys, we just got home. I'm about to start the DIY. This was kind of just like doing an artist date together, low-key. So I stopped in Sephora and I wanted to show you what I picked up. The first thing is this Amika Perk Up Plus dry shampoo. I need my hair done. I need my hair done bad. I usually get my hair done every single month. I don't know how I didn't schedule something for this month. That's so not like me, but I plan on doing my own hair. I've been wearing like a lot of buns and a lot of hats, but I need to do my hair. I actually might do that this weekend. Then I got 2 Danessa Myricks primers because I heard really good things about them and I feel like my makeup doesn't last as long and priming could be one of the reasons. Sorry, I'm like not even looking at the camera. Okay, so this one is the Blurring Balm Powder and then this one is the Water Powder Serum. I have oily skin. I actually have dehydrated skin, but because my skin is dehydrated, it compensates by producing way more oil. So it's like I have oily skin because it's dehydrated. I don't know if that makes sense, but it it is what it is. And then I got 2 sets of lashes. I thought these looked really natural. They're very thin. A heavy lash just weighs my eyes down, especially in the corner, it just makes it droop. So I like something that's a half lash type style, something wispy. I feel like I'm gonna like these a little bit more. Something just very minimal works best for me. And then I also got this rouge bag. She was like, oh, let me get you your rouge bag. I'm like, okay, I'll take a rouge bag. I have no idea what it looks like. Red, okay. Let's see what this, oh my gosh, wait, this is cute. It looks super red on camera. I swear it matches my nails in person. Or maybe it looks like that on camera. I don't know. I love this. Oh, I love this. Oh, yay. Okay, cool. Actually, I could probably put like my camera stuff in here. Wait, I like this. I don't know if you got this if you spent a certain amount or what, but this is my new bag. Okay, cute, period. Okay, yay. So that's my Sephora haul. Now we can get into the home decor DIY. I'm very, very excited. Okay, hi guys. It is the next day and we are finally going to be doing our home decor DIY. All you're gonna need for this DIY are coasters. I got these from Michael's. Literally, did I go yesterday? No, I think the day before. You're going to need Gorilla Glue. This is just the kind that I have. I'm not familiar with all the different types of Gorilla Glue. Woo, we just had this one, so that's the one I'm using. And then you're going to need dominoes. So I have already done this craft on TikTok and Instagram if you follow me over there, but I ordered some more so that we could do it together. These are just from Amazon, but you could honestly get dominoes anywhere. You could thrift something like this. You could go to Walmart, maybe even the dollar store, I don't know, but I just didn't want to be looking all around. So I just ordered mine from Amazon. They look like this. They're so pretty. Is that weird to say? They're so pretty looking because that is definitely weird to say, but it's how I feel. Okay, I am not a domino player. I don't play domino, so I guess this is a little bit fraud of me, but I just like this. So maybe I should learn. I was literally just saying in the last video, get stuff that's true to you and authentic to you. I like this though. I can appreciate it. So like, I don't know. I'm not thinking too hard about this. Basically, I like that there's like a little gold like part in the middle. I don't know. I just really like these. So what I'm going to do is just open this up, take them all out, and then turn the camera down so that we can make these together. Okay, so now that all of our materials are unwrapped, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the cork backing on the coaster. It literally came in the bag. I didn't have to buy anything extra. I think I got the wrong coasters. The last time I did this, I didn't have to add the cork backing. It already had one. So anyway, it's not a big deal. Just gonna put this on the back. I swear this was already done for me last time, but okay. So now that all of our coasters look like this, I added that sticky cork background. What am I saying? The bottom. Oh my gosh, I can't speak. I added the cork to the bottom. Now we're just gonna flip it on top. This is the easy part, guys. All you have to do is just kind of lay them out, lay your dominoes out the way that you want them. Now, you can obviously, if you wanna like play the correct way, I don't really know how to play, but I know you have to match the numbers up. You could match them up. Isn't that right? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. You have to match it up, right? Something like that. You could do it that way and like literally line them up so that I guess the numbers match. To me, it's not that big of a deal to me, but that's because I don't know how to play. If I knew how to play, something like that probably would bother me. And I would want all my pieces to match. I just try to make sure I have some that have like a lot of the numbers, like higher numbers and lower ones, so that it kind of looks like, I don't know, not as busy. So I just do 2 up and down, 2 side to side, up and down. And then I'm just gonna go through with my Gorilla Glue. Hopefully it's not stuck. No, we're good, we're good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with my Gorilla Glue, put some glue at the bottom and glue them on, you guys. It's that simple. I will say the last time I did this, I put way too much glue. You really don't need that much. Just a little bit like this. Can you see this? Just a little bit like that. And then you're going to, did I have it like this or like this? I think it was like that. We'll do it like that. It's fine. And then you just glue it down. And the glue takes a second to stick. So you can see it's kind of sliding around. So that's nice. You're able to kind of like move it at the end just in case, like, I don't know, like if you mess up or you wanted it a different way, whatever. My feet are falling asleep. Hold on, y'all. Oh my God. I'm actually gonna put my legs out. Ah, there we go. Okay, now I'm comfortable. Okay, you guys, this is random, but I have been listening to the artist Olivia Dean pretty much non-stop over the last like couple of days. I have been obsessed with her music. I found her on TikTok. Like I think either like 1 or 2 of her songs went viral. And so I heard her that way. And she just had a song. She dropped a new song the other day. And I've just been listening to her non-stop. I don't know. I listened to the song on TikTok, obviously, when it went viral, but I was like, you know what? Let me look this artist up and get familiar with her music because I really like the song that went viral and I really like her music. It's feel-good music. It's not so much, and I don't know if this is an age thing, but I really don't want to listen to anything too crazy anymore. Like I'm tired. Like I just feel like I'm already so overstimulated just in general that I don't want my music to be too like crazy and club and blah, blah, blah. When I'm working out, yes, absolutely. Okay, hold on. So this is what it looks like when it's done. I just kind of slide it just to make sure all the pieces are evenly on the coaster and it's not like one side is shifting over on top of the coaster. And then I just push it by the coaster only. Don't touch the dominoes, like the bottom of the coaster. I just literally slide it out the way and move on to the next one. So yeah, guys, like I was saying, I just feel like the older I get, the more I want music that's just calm, relaxing. I listen to a lot of lo-fi music in the car, just like chill things. And yeah, so if you have not heard of Olivia Dean, I highly recommend listening to her. I really like her music. So I'm going to speed this process up and I will come back when all of them are glued on. You guys, this is the easiest DIY ever. So hopefully this is, I don't know, something that you can do if you're like, oh, this is so cute, I need to try it. Please tag me. I would love to see. You can't even see me. Should I tilt this up a little bit? Hi. I would love to see, you can't even see me. Anyway, I would love to see your recreations. I thought this video would be fun for like a Sunday, chill vibes, hang out. Did I do these yet? See, I'm talking. Oh no, I didn't do these. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to speed this part up, finish these, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so now all of them are glued on. All the dominoes are on a coaster. Actually, they're already starting to like really stick, which is perfect. Basically, I'm just gonna let this dry for like an hour and then we'll be back and see the result. Like I said, this is my second time making these coasters and I definitely had different coasters before from Michael's, but you can really use any coasters, it's fine. I'm going to put some coffee table books on top of this to kind of weigh it down. So yeah, let me do that real quick. Literally just going to plop them down on top of the coasters like this. And I'm actually gonna put this bowl on top too. So that's exactly what I did the last time. And we'll let this sit for a little bit and then check back in an hour. Okay guys, and while our DIY is drying, I wanted to show you the book that I was talking about earlier. The reason why I've been doing all of this like artistic, not the reason why, but the reason why I have been inspired to give art another go, to try again with being artistic and to get more creative. This is the book. This is just something that I discovered and wanted to try. It's called The Artist's Way, A Spiritual Path to Higher Creativity. If you are a creative person, whether you are like really good at art, if you are a writer, a musician, just anything in a creative field, I highly recommend this book. It's a 12-week course. I am on week 6. Yeah, week 6. Basically, there's 3 principles to this. There's 3 things that you have to do. You read 1 chapter a week, and then at the end of the chapter, there are 10 tasks that you have to complete. It's basically just like questions. It's 10 questions to kind of tap into your inner artist, your inner child. I don't know, it's been really like healing for me. I've just been really enjoying this. It's not like you have to read the chapter, memorize it, and then answer the question. It's not that at all. It's not really like school-ish. It's only school-ish wish because it's called a course, but I promise you, I wouldn't do it if it was like school, if it was like hard. So that's one part of this. The second part are morning pages. Every single morning, as soon as you wake up, you write 3 pages in a notebook, and it can be whatever you want to write. That's another thing I like about it. You're just kind of like free. Obviously, it's a creative course. You're free to kind of think and do kind of what you want to do. It's very flexible. So in my morning pages, I just, whatever first comes to mind, I just like write about it. A lot of the times what I'm noticing is it's turning out to be, I'm halfway done. So it's turning out to be the same 3 main like points that I write about. So and I don't even realize it. Now I'm realizing it. At first, obviously I'm just like writing, I'm first waking up. Now I'm like, ooh, I'm writing about this again. I'm writing about this again. Okay, I did not realize this has become such a problem for me, or this has become such like a thought process for me. So now throughout the day, I'm like, okay, what can I do to like really navigate this thing differently? So it's just been really helpful for me. So that's 3 pages in the morning. And then the third thing that you have to do with this is the artist date. So that's basically what we did yesterday, how I went to the movies by myself. It's a date that you take yourself on. You go on this date alone. It's just you and your inner child, or like your inner artist. You do something fun, something that you used to love to do as a kid, something that maybe you've always wanted to do, something that you enjoy, and you just go and do it by yourself. It could be something simple like taking a walk in the park and bringing a disposable camera and taking pictures. Like just find little things once a week. And yeah, you guys, I've just been really enjoying this. I wanted to just show you this book. I wanted to kind of make this video about like me becoming an artist, like kind of my journey of creativity and like getting back into art. I don't know. Yeah, we're testing the waters with this. You have to let me know. You have to let me know what you think. But I've just been having a really fun time, and I wanted to share it just in case anybody else is kind of in the same boat where like you want to be creative, but you feel like, oh, I don't know, like kind of where to start, or like, what am I supposed to just pull out a piece of paper and just start drawing? Like, how do I, you know, like find my creative flow? This is a good point to kind of get you started and get you inspired with that. So I will link this down below. I will now officially check back in like an hour once our dominoes are dry. I have to look up here. I keep looking down there, the screen, the camera, you guys, the mic. Okay. Anyway, I'll check back in later. Okay, you guys, if you hear my kids in the background, it's a Saturday. We're all home, but it's been a couple hours. So I'm gonna take these books off and see what it's looking like. These are the Domino coasters. Ooh, it moved a little bit on a couple of these. This one's pretty perfect. This one looks really good. So this is what they are looking like. They're just super cute coasters. I think they're adorable. This one got a little bit separated, so there's a little bit of gapping in this one. And on this one too, it moved a little bit, but that's okay. Like, they're still cute. You have to be careful and make sure it doesn't like slide around, but I really like these. I think these would make a really cute gift as well. Okay, and I wanted to show you, thank you, Rob, the ones that I made before for TikTok and Instagram. They're just really cute. This is just a really cute, fun, easy DIY. So you have to let me know what you think. Yeah, these are actually really cute. I love them. You have to let me know what you think, and if you give these a try. That's a lot. Wow, I've got a lot of coasters. Let me know. Let me know if you want one. But yeah, guys, so that is pretty much it. That is how I made these domino coasters. I think they're super cute. It's pretty much my artist journey. I showed you all the book. We went on an artist date. We did a little artist craft together as well. So I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and my coasters, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.